In this video, we are going to show you how to remove the radio, navigation, touch screen from Cadillac Escalade 2015, which is similar to the other years. The tools that you need is this blue dashboard removal tool, and then size T15 Torx screwdriver, and then plus the socket 7 millimeter. We already made everything loose, by the way. This is just for the demo only. The first step, you need to pop this wood trim above the touch screen. It goes right above. We already removed it. This has only clips, 4 clips. So basically use your dashboard removal tool, and then you slide it. You put your dashboard removal tool on above it, and then you press it down, and then you can just pull it out. And in the next step, you remove the other 2 wood bezels above the glove box. They don't have any screws, it's only just clips. There you go. And the one on the driver's side, you pop it out. It has 2 clips. Now, in order to take this side panel off, we have to drop the cover under the steering column, and then we can remove these 2 side cover for the center console. And what you need to do is just pop out the side panel on the driver's side. These are the clips which holding it. And there are 4 screws for the panel underneath the steering column. Is a size T15 Torx, 2 underneath, and then 2 on the side. Total 4 screws. Once you get those 4 screws out, then you can just gently drop the panel out. And it has the clips too, as you can see. These are the clips which holding the panel. And then you can unplug it too. These side panels for the center console are very tight to get them out, and you have to basically lift them up with this dashboard removal tool. You lift them up a little bit and then pull it with the force toward yourself. Just slide it out basically. And it's very tight. You have to apply lots of pressure to get it out, because these metal clips are very hard to come out. It doesn't have any screws, you just have to pull it forward. And you do the same thing on the passenger side. First you lift it up with it, and then just pull it toward yourself, and it comes up. And it has the same clips, no screws involved. Now to remove the bezel around the radio, you need to open this compartment, and then you just lift the bezel up. And then basically you cover the wood trimming on the center console so you won't get the scratches, and then you just pull it toward yourself. It has clips. I'll show you where the clips are. And these are the 2 clips on the bottom, and then on the side. Just pay attention to the location of the clips. This is where you apply the pressure to remove this bezel around the radio. And the bezel has only 1 plug. Now you remove the mounting bracket which was holding the bezel in place. It has 2 screws, size 7. And then you remove the CD player. So this way you can, when you remove the radio, you can just drop it down. And there are 6 screws, size 7 millimeter, which is holding the radio in place. There are 3 on the passenger side, and then 3 on the driver's side. And once you get these 3 out, and then you can pull the radio forward and just drop it down. And if you need any repair for the navigation or the touch panel or the CD player, you can send it to iTech Electronic Services in Van Nuys, California, 818-785-8085.